Hi, this is Mika and welcome to our Pharma statement of the day. Antihistamines give relief in allergic reactions. In an attempt to protect the body, the immune system starts a chain reaction that prompts some of the body cells to release histamine and other chemicals into the bloodstream. The histamine then acts on a person's eyes, nose, throat, lungs, skin, or gastrointestinal tract, causing allergy symptoms. Antihistamines give relief in allergic reactions by binding to H1 histamine receptors, thereby blocking histamine's effects in the body. This medication acts as inverse agonists by downregulating the activated state of histamine receptors. This decreases your body's reaction to allergens and therefore helps to reduce the troublesome symptoms associated with allergy.